everyone! It's a gloomy Thursday and we are here now sa Siti Khadija Beach Resort with my friends. So, ito yung mga ganap today. No, siya yung magluluto ng clam soup. Ito yung participation. Talent and skills.
Ay, na.
Anak ko, alam niya na ba kayong mga face mask na cucumber? Yun ang mga pinapabili niya sa akin.
Tao nito.
Eh, kung may face mask cucumber ko.
Ano po yung niluluto nyo, sir? What type of fish is this?
It's a mangko.
Mangko in English.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. So, can you please tell us about this fish?
This fish, you can find it in the ocean.
Perfect.
And by catching it, you have to use the fishing net.
Oh, not a fishing rod?
No.
Is it impossible to catch mangko with a fishing rod?
Possible, but
Okay, good.
there's no assurance with it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it depends on the bait.
So, what do you usually use as a bait when fishing?
Fish also.
Ah, a fish also.
Yeah.
I saw people, they use
Artificial.
worms.
No, actually the worms, you can use it on the, not on the ocean,
Ah, where?
but on the water.
Ah, okay.
In the lagoon,
River.
river.
Okay, perfect. So, how many minutes is the cooking time with this kind of fish?
Estimated 15 minutes.
Oh, 15 minutes, but I think you're already here for almost 30 minutes. So, what kind of fan are we endorsing today?
Jisoo Life.
Oh, Jisoo Life.
Use Jisoo Life for you to make a fire.
Yes, because people use carton to make
Yeah.
pie, but now we are already in the modern era.
Yes.
We use our Jisoo Life.
Jisoo Life.
Sorry sa background, yung CR yan, pero malinis naman dito.
Yeah.
Di naman siguro
highly
dinelat ng
recommended
aso.
itong resort na ito.
Okay, so
If you
can you
have
please
plans-
tell us where we are right now?
We are here in Balas, I think. I'm not sure.
What's the name of the resort?
Siti Khadija.
Siti Khadija,
Siti Khadija
from the Arabic
Resort.
term. Arabic. So ito
Owner
po yung...
by Haji Harija.
Ay, no, you're wrong.
No, the name of the wife.
Ah, of the owner of this resort.
Yeah.
I don't have personal knowledge about them. But
Me too.
let us showcase what's here. There are rooms here on this part. And there is a hall right there where you can hold events. And these are cottages. And this is the very beautiful view. Hanggang dyan lang siya. And these are the steps. Hindi ko to nakita kanina, pero dito ang ganda. So you can see the water is sandy, and on that part it's already rocky. And meron ding mga katulad natin na pumupunta pa rin sa dagat with the title of umulan, bumagyo, nandito pa rin sila. Kasi kanina umuulan dito.
Kaapat ka.